Of all the places you can travel, one of the most mysterious and exciting is all around us. The oceans contain huge untapped resources of food, minerals and energy, and are home to many species of life vital to the ecological balance of the world. The oceans cover 70% of the Earth's surface, but still remain largely unexplored. They may well provide the key to the survival of our planet. Oil and gas companies have the almost impossible task of conquering a never-ending series of problems in order to release the sea's hidden energy resources. For that, they rely on the offshore engineer. These divers are connecting 3 new oil and gas pipelines to offshore platforms using subsea welding. Coordinating all the technical aspects of the task is the job of senior project engineer David Brooks.
Anchors away, my boys, anchors away. Farewell to...
When we do go offshore, I'll be again on board the vessel representing the project, and I'm basically in a floating position where I will provide sufficient information to all the personnel on board to ensure that they can do their jobs properly. They have all the data they require. There'll be the divers, there's people who operate the ROV, there's the master of the vessel, the riggers, subcontracting personnel, and I'll make sure that all these people coordinate together. I've always had a general interest in the marine environment. I used to do scuba diving when I was younger, windsurfing and sailing, and I've always been interested to work in a sort of marine environment. It's been more attractive to me than the idea of being full-time tied up to an office. Technology is extremely important, really. I mean, you can see the type of equipment that's here, the type of hardware that's necessary to perform these construction activities in the North Sea safely is quite enormous. It's extremely high-tech, extremely complex. What I enjoy most really is the opportunities for travel. I mean, I've been working in Norway for the last 2 years, living in Oslo. I've been to Russia, working for my company. I've been to Abu Dhabi. I've been down to Brazil for 2 months, and when you travel around all these different countries, meet again lots of different types of people, experience lots of different types of environment, and I cannot actually think of another job that I would be qualified to do where I would be able to enjoy this opportunity.